All right. Very exciting. We got stop trading. What do you got?
For retail investors, there are these stocks that have good yield and good fundamentals, and I think that J&J is one of those, and Goldman recommends it today, and I just urge people to take a look and say, you know what, that stock is down, not down all the way at the bottom, but it's very low, and maybe I should be a buyer.
What about the talc litigation, which we talked about last week?
I think the talc litigation, that was a very bad blow for them, that they were paying, say, 10. But I will tell you this, that if you just amortize how much they have to pay, even if it's 12, 15, or if you talk about them fighting, they haven't lost any suits since
We're talking about the fact that a group settlement got thrown out.
Right, but they've not lost suits since they lost to Missouri. Missouri was very bad, but Missouri is the worst jurisdiction in the world. I do think that they're going to come out okay on that.
You do?
Yeah, I absolutely do.
Because you were worried about it for quite some time. And by the way, rightly so. The stock didn't do much at all.
Yeah, and it's been the big drag.
Yeah.
But I am confident that they can fight each one. It'll cost money. But the plaintiffs should have. There's just only one plaintiff that's really holding out. So I like it.
All right. What do you got on the big show tonight?
Okay, David, I've got Rubrik, I've got CrowdStrike, and I've got Viking. And I've got to tell you, Viking and Torhagen. David, I'm going on a river cruise.
Are you?
Yeah, I want to. Carl Quintanilla, our partner, is on the board of Sag Harbor, of the foundation that supports Sag Harbor Theater.
Yeah.
And there was an auction. And I looked at Carl, and people weren't buying it. I stuck my paddle up. It sold.
So you want a cruise?
That's I know I'm going.
Where are you headed?
Sag Harbor Cinema.
Where are you headed in the cruise? Do you know?
Bruges.
Bruges. In Bruges.
Yeah, well, it goes down. Like, I don't know. It was like, hey.
That was a good movie, by the way. Nobody wanted to be in Bruges, by the way.
Sold. I mean, like, I turned to my wife and said, look, where are we going here? She's just somewhere better than New York City. I said, okay.
Bruges.
Bruges.
All right. We got a lot of screen.